So there it is. That is the full exhaust. The three pieces, the conversion 2-to-1, the mid pipe, and the muffler. That honestly, like, it looks good, dude. The stock exhaust off, and honestly, that is one of the heaviest mufflers I have ever pulled off of a car. I actually can't believe how heavy that was. And how, I mean, I could lift this entire thing with one hand. It's not titanium, but it is light. And that is so heavy. Okay, final thoughts. Sounds great under load. It's almost silent under idle. And it's a little droney if you're just cruising around doing like 20 miles per hour. My car is also still automatic, so you know I can't choose what gear to be in at this moment. I'll do an update once I manual swap the car. But yeah, I mean, sounds great, much better than OEM. It's literally like $215. I don't know why you wouldn't do this unless you're getting like a really nice like Super Sprint exhaust or something. Infinitely better than just cutting off your muffler. And honestly, it looks great too. Like, very easy to install, sounds great, cheap. I give it a thumbs up, dude. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.